Foxtrot. Diva is the chemical registered name of the dog. And don't forget, this is a relay. There's a baton change in between each handler. And she's given herself a big walk up to get a lead on the dog and to stop it taking the wrong obstacle. Nicely into the weave there, very fast through the weave, no time wasted here. Sharp right turn. Just must get that seesaw to tip. Nicely handled, sending the dog on to work itself while she cuts across the back of the dog to save time. It's all about the handler saving time and let the dog do the work. Nice turn there. 2 to go, and this is looking good. That's the first one for Scotland. Yeah, great run. 40 seconds round the course. What a super run. On the course now, we've got Heather McLean. And this is another fast one. This is Blaze, a working sheepdog, 6 years old. Blazing Navigator is the chemical registered name. Watch the judge out of the corner of your eye, who's signalling all the faults to his scribe, who sat on the sidelines, writing everything down. So they're really doing well on time, just 40 seconds. And sharp right turn now, and it looks another good round, and they're swapping over there in 80 seconds. Oh, and 2 dogs on the course. We'll have to wait and see what the judge says about that. This is Donna Kurtz with Jack, the Border Collie, 4 years old. Try and Fly Crackerjack. And Donna's down up from Kelso. Little leap off the seesaw there, didn't tip it correctly. The judges held his hand up, as you can see, for a 5-fault penalty for not tipping the seesaw. Sharp right turn. Good on time, a little bit of time wasted with this dog, I fear, but sharp turn now, and he's gone around the last obstacle, has to go back again. So that's another fault there for a refusal. They swapped over in, she picked up about another 5 seconds there. Swiftly followed by an elimination there for Alan Wright. That's 200 faults. Alan's also down from Aberdeen. He's working Quinn, he's working sheepdog, 5 years old. Into Quincy Spider is the full name of the dog. So that's about 210 faults minimum for this team at the moment. Sharp turn round, and up they go. It's only the second team to go, so they're still going to the lead, I think. Yes, through the finish. Give a round of